Two alleged goat thieves were apprehended red-handed by agitated locals in the Dewan Bazar area of Bishramganj while attempting to steal goats while using a vehicle. The arrested individual have been identified as Maram Ali and Jasim Uddin.
The incident occurred on a recent day in the Dewan Bazar area along the National Highway. Local residents noticed two youths stopping a Bolero loading vehicle and then quickly loading two goats into it from the side of the road and nearby jungle. The suspicious activity immediately alerted the locals, who quickly surrounded and detained the two youths along with the Bolero vehicle. Upon receiving the information, police personnel rushed the spot. The locals handed over the two detained men to the police. The entire incident of the goats thieves being caught by the locals was reportedly recorded on mobile phone cameras by the residents.
একদম একজনে ভিডিও করে রাখছে ছাগল ধরতেছে যে ইয়ার কি আর সবাই ডাক দিয়ে আমরা দাঁড়াইছি আরে এই গানে কয় একজন বাড়ি মেলারা একজন বাড়ি ইয়া সোনামুরা এই উঠেছে উল্টা উল্টা কথা বলতেছে
আর তারা কি ছাগল টাগল পাইছে
পাইছি না বলতে ধরতেছে যে ভিডিও করে রাখছে মানে এরপরে লোকজন আওনা ছাইরা দিছে এই আর কি
কোন জায়গাটা
এটা তো গানবাজার
The Bishramganj police have taken custody of both Maram Ali and Jasim Uddin from Sonamora and Melagar and are investigating the matter. Reported by Jivan from Vishalkar, Chini Khorang.